good people, it is Vlogmas Day 2. So in today's video, we're trying Vlogmas. I'm excited about it and I can't wait for you to see what I do. All right, I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.
Hey good people, today I have an haul. So today I went to Dollar Tree and I went to Aldi. So I'm just going to show you what I got real quick. Whip up me some French toast and some coffee because I haven't had breakfast or anything. And then I am going to cook today's dinner, which will be chicken noodle soup, homemade. So stay tuned. But for now, we're going to go through what I got from the Dollar Tree. 25-cent store. I don't know what to call it, but Dollar Tree. So we're moving on to Aldi. So I got my vegetables halfway chopped up. I'm using peeled garlic from a Kroger brand that I use for Thanksgiving. So I love that. So I had some left. So I'm using that. I already washed them, getting this prepped. And I got my seasonings that I use, Better Than Bouillon, a little bit of lemon pepper, garlic and herbs, thyme, rosemary, and some poultry seasoning. I'm going to use those white noodles. Those are the carrots. I got the chicken already boiling in the pot here. And it smells amazing. And we're going to go ahead and let that finish cooking. And once that finished cooking, I'll skin and peel it. Or I should say skin and shred the meat. And I am going to use the broth from the chicken, of course, and I'm going to get this on and get this cooked, and then I got to run out and do it. I have an appointment for my eyebrows. So it is what it is. This is real time. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add all of my chopped ingredients. Trying to do this with one hand. Oh shoot, I'm dropping stuff. Anyway, so this and things you got to do, child. All right, so I got that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good stir. And then I'm going to let that finish simmering. I did add some garlic butter in there. I'm a garlic person, so you know, I love garlic, so can't get enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this come back to a simmer and to a boil. I'm not gonna talk, just watch. All right, bye. Okay guys, since I'm waiting on the chicken to finish, I'm gonna go ahead and make up my batter for my French toast. So, finally sitting down for a minute because I gotta finish my chicken soup for dinner. But this is the French toast. So let me let you guys know this. The bread is a cinnamon bread. My head chopped off. All right, can you see me now? This is a cinnamon bread that I got at Aldi's, and I added a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg and a little bit of light brown sugar. So it even looks even darker, but that's all right for me. That's how I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and add a smidgen of maple syrup. You don't need that much because it's already sweet. I can smell it. The aroma in the building. Smells real good. I'm like conflicted because I'm smelling that. I'm smelling the soup. Whew. Multitasking. It's a lot. Okay, we're gonna see how this goes. Amen. Hope you have something that you want to eat with me. Go ahead and get that bite. Syrup dripping all over the place. Go ahead. Hurry up. All right, that's enough. Here we go. What I like about French toast is the butter. The butter that you get on the sides, the caramelization of it all. Can't go wrong. I don't need nothing else. Don't need no meat.
Also, you guys, this bread, it has cinnamon swirls in it. So you're getting a bust of cinnamon from that. I don't know if you can see. You see that? That's from the bread. It's so good. I wish I could share. Finish that soup. Make it to my appointment. And I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. So you know what it is. It's Simply Mona. And I'm out. Bye.
So I'm back from my appointment. I put the remainder of the soup inside of this Tupperware for whenever we want it. This is what I'm going to try in front of you guys. I am happy with it. Only thing is sometimes those noodles get a little too tender. And because I had to leave and the pot was still hot, I didn't get a chance to take it out. But it is delicious. So I'm going to take a bite.
Okay, so you can get my true reaction. Man, this is really good. Serious. Like I said, be careful on your noodles, though. I ain't mad at them, though. They do get too gummy. Only thing with noodles, I started just wait till the chicken cool before I put it in there. Add some more broth. It's cooled completely down. As you see, I mean, So that is it. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.